Hi all. Today I want to be talking about the KARCHER K3 high pressure washer. Bought a few other accessories with it, which I will also cover in another YouTube. But for now I'm just going to concentrate on the KARCHER K3 high pressure washer. Okay, so let's see what's in the box. Endless possibilities with the right accessories. Okay, so this is obviously the handle. This is the actual pressure pump. Part of the handle. The two for the high pressure pump. Manual and the actual unit. There's the wheels there. The other wheels. So let's see. That's this part, and then we have the actual trigger gun, fitting for those. Alright, so the unit is assembled. Basically everything just clicks in. This handle just also clicks in, and then you can adjust it to your height. The wheels both just clicks in, and same with that one there. Then you have the deterrent tank, and then obviously you pour your deterrent or whatever in there, and then you just close that. That's the hose adapter, and then you have basically the spray gun. And as I said before, you have these two. This one is probably more for the hard places, you know, where you, for the dirt, heavy dirt. This one has the soft, hard, soft, and then also a mix function. So so that's basically the KARCHER from the side. Then you also have the on and off here. So sounds a bit plasticky though, I submit. And then to couple it, you obviously unhooked it, and then you just press it back in, and then you press that down. So, and then on the actual gun itself, you just gotta click it in. It has to click in, and then you insert those spray in one, and then you can obviously use the actual high pressure. Thank you so much.